Hello everyone and welcome once again to the channel. Today we are going to speak about something that I wanted to show you in a couple of videos, but I can't wait to show this. This to me is a new entry, obviously not for you because it's a quite old car, but up to date it's almost between the best you can find on the market. What am I speaking about? I'm speaking about a crawler, and you know that I have the Red Cat. That is my first crawler, good crawler, but I always seen videos about this one. In all the versions, and I have decided to understand why this is a so good crawler. There are tons of videos about this, but I wanted to do something new. That is, as you know, this crawler became without electronics, motor, batteries and so on. It's not ready to run. You have to build yourself, you have to paint the body, you have to do the mechanic as well as you can. You have to decide which electronics use, which motor and which ESC. When Red Cat made the Axe edition, I had a curiosity to understand the brushless motor with the ESC, how does it work. So I have decided to buy perhaps the best crawler with the best brushless and ESC motor for crawlers. Obviously I have bought a lot of other parts, and now we are going to see what's inside. I think it's not a surprise for you, because the product is very well known, but this is the first time that I open it. Oh yes, this is the switch for the lights, and this is it. Lot of specification, nothing new, but always very good quality. And by which side do I have to open this? This side. Okay. Okay. Now I wear the camera on my head so we can look inside. This is the inside of the box. We have these are, you have to mount all of this. The axles, bearings, metal gears. It looks very nice. I don't like too much this red cap for the pumpkin, but okay, this is one. Tires. No beadlock wheels, but I have this. These are metal beadlocks, old-fashioned style. I think that they are very nice, quite heavy. This is important. So this is the first upgrade. Put it there. Then here we have a lot of pieces, bumper. This is the roll bar, roll cage, This I have to decide even if, rear lamps, I will put that, front lamps, very, very good, very nice. Okay. Metal gears, these are the differentials. Metal gears, very, very good. This is another axle. These are portal axles, and this is very important. This is why I have chosen. Also, this is why I have chosen this model. Portal axle to me are basics. This is a transfer box, gear cage, gearbox cage, what kind of cage box. And this, we discover the body. About this body, I have a project. I would like to do is in orange, bright orange, with a lot of pieces in light blue and black, like the Max, not X Max, but Max, the orange one. I like very much that way to paint body. These are for the lamps. Very good quality. This is the body. Battery holder. Radio. It seems it has... It's waterproof, this one. Wonderful. Metal steering horn. This is for the battery. This is for the engine. Grease. Lot of things, all metal. I don't remember the name. These are the parts that takes the wheels. Later I will remember, perhaps. Nice, very, very nice. Axles, plastic. Even if big, they are in plastic. A lot of pieces. A lot of pieces. Rock sliders. Tools, grease. Nice, this wrench. Very nice. Dampers. It seems they are not filled with oil, because the oil is here. It's quite tiny. Very thin. Dampers, we have to take... this is the main frame. Wait, very solid. Main frame. Instructions, masking tape. No, what is this? These are for these parts. No, I will paint them. The decal is not very good. Masking tape for the windows. And instructions. And this is it about the pieces you find in the box. But this is not all, because I want to do my car. And in order to do my car, I've bought some options part. First one you have seen are wheels here. Then I've bought also these. These are Traxxas, Fenders. These are important, so we will put Fenders. This is the servo, the steering servo, 20 kg. Not a terrible servo, it's not very expensive, 26 euros about. I want to try this. They told me it's quite good. We will see. 20 kg is sufficient. This is the switch that I bought in China. Switch for the lights. So from the radio I can operate the lights. And this, as I told you, is the Hobby Wing brushless system combo. Let's have a look inside. Ah, this is in Italian. Wonderful. This is very nice. I have no problem in English, but I appreciate that they have made Italian instructions. Usually Italy, well, I don't want to say something bad. They don't care about Italy. Wow! Wonderful. Sensored brushless motor. I hope this is the one for crawling. This is the engine. Okay, we will open it when we will have to use, and I hope this is the crawler one. Yes, but I think so. I carefully watched for this. So, this is it. Now we have to build everything. Tires. They told me that tires are not so nice. I don't think so. It depends from the foam. Making this, it is quite soft and return quickly, so it's not a memory foam like the Red Cat one. Have you seen? What do you think? Have I made something good? Could it be a good solution for having a very nice RC crawler, rock crawler, river crawler? This crawls everywhere. It will be a long journey. I want to show you how to build, and I want to share with you my solution. Remember, as usual, comments, like and subscribe. Comments are very interesting, and suggestions, questions, subscribe. I need subscribers. The more we are, the better will be the video. Bye bye.